Hi guys, let's run you through our rack at this project here, or two racks should I say. So over at the top, power control units. These provide power conditioning, surge protection, and remote power cycling of sources, skyboxes, etc. Handy little things. Below there, we've got our network equipment, our Canis network switches and routers. Control 4 processor here, running our control 4 interfaces, our TV zones, etc. Below that, skyboxes. These are our sources to send to the TV. Further down, our CYP matrix, which gives our video signals to the TVs itself. In the center section, we have our Sonos ports. These provide our audio streams to the 16 different audio zones throughout the property. And then finally at the bottom here, we have our amplification. 3 amps here provide our multi-room audio. 2 AVRs at the bottom to service our snug and living room zone. So this is the setup here. Again, Anthem, perfect partner to acoustic speaker to give us that sound that the client's looking for.